Hey everyone, and welcome back to WP Glob. In today's video, we're going to explore how you can create interactive and engaging polls using TotalPoll. So if you're ready to explore how you can do that easily, let's get started. But before delving deep into our topic of creating polls and learning more about your audience, I'd like to introduce the hosting that we use that ensures safety for our website, and it is Cloudways. Website crashes can be disastrous for businesses, costing up to $300,000 per hour and damaging customer trust. Common causes can be traffic spikes, server overload, or outdated software, cyber attacks, and poor hosting management. These issues can lead to revenue loss, a damaged reputation, decreased customer trust, and even SEO penalties. So Cloudways Autonomous by Cloudways is here to solve these challenges with high uptime guarantees, auto-scaling to handle traffic surges, self-healing servers to fix issues automatically without manually doing that, and robust security features. It ensures your website stays online and performs at its best. It also provides 24/7 expert support and efficient resource allocation, making it an ideal solution for businesses of all sizes and types. By choosing Cloudways Autonomous, you can gain a reliable hosting platform to prevent website crashes and deliver seamless performance. Don't let downtime affect your business. Visit Cloudways today and learn more and take control of your website's reliability. By the way, Cloudways currently has huge Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals, so hurry up to get your 40% off for 4 months and 40 migrations for free. So now I'm on my WordPress dashboard, and let's get started with TotalPoll and see what it has to offer us. So to create your first poll, you will need to head to New Polls or Polls and then New Poll. Let's first name it. I will call it a customer analysis or customer get to know. And here we've got clear-cut sections. We have questions, fields, settings, design, and integration. So we know where things are, and it makes the process and the experience far easier for us. Okay, before actually creating our poll, I'd like to head to integration just to tell you how you can integrate your already created polls. So you've got a couple of ways. The first one is shortcut. So if you create your poll, you can go to shortcut, find a respective shortcut, and copy it and paste it wherever you need it. Paste it on the posts or pages that you need. Then you can head to widgets and use it as a widget. So from here, you need to choose the sidebar and again, import it and integrate it there. You can use it as a direct link. You can see the link here. You will simply need to copy it and again, put it wherever you need. You can embed it and you can use it in your emails. So that's pretty much it about how you can use your polls. And now let's create our polls. So here we already have the question dashboard appear right here. So this is going to be our first question, and the first question I want to be about our audience's age group, let's say. So we can ask, what age group do you belong to? Right? Okay. And here you can choose the settings. User must vote at least for choice 1 and up to what. So if, for example, if you need at least 2 answers, you can mention it 2 here and 2 here as well. Or 2 here and 3 if they want to choose also the third option, etc. And from here, you've got a couple of options, text, image, video, audio, HTML. So everything here is in a Pro version except the text. So you can click on this text and let's choose the answers. And it's gonna be 15 to 20. And then we're clicking on text again, and 21 to 25. Another one, oops. Another one, and it's gonna be 26 to 30, and I think it's okay, and it's automatically saved, so you do not have to do that again. Then you can add a new question from here. So let's say which platform do you prefer the most? And again, we're gonna have, let's say, 2 choices, and it's gonna be Facebook, let's say, and Instagram. Great. And now let's head to fields. And here you can create your forms, let's say, where they need to input their first name, last name, email address, or any other information that you require for yourself. Okay, so the first name is logical that we need to have, and here you can rename it however you wish. This is the last name and this is the email address, and our form is basically already created. And here you can choose text as an answer, or you can add your own fields and add the name for them. But the rest, the text areas, select or checkbox, or radio buttons are again in the Pro version. So let's stick to this. It's great in this way as well. In the settings, you can set some limitations regarding the time period, and the Pro version also regarding the membership quota. For example, let's say if 10 people already filled it in. If it's first in, first served basis, then you can also set quota, region. You can block based on certain IP addresses. Then you can choose the frequency. You can sort the choices by positions. This is for the results that you get by position, by votes, and the Pro version is also as in the form of label and random. You can choose a direction, ascending, descending. These are the results, the content, the SEO, and the notifications in let's say which email address you get when someone fills in your form. And design. So here you can see this is the basic form that we do, and it's this way. If we do not do any customizations, you can see it's pretty simple, pretty normal, but you can customize it and you can choose some templates. In the Pro version, of course, there are many of them. But here you can choose the layout, you can choose choices per row. For example, if I choose 3 here, then it goes like this. You can choose the questions per row. And then this is regarding the colors. You can choose the primary colors. You can actually adjust it to your branding colors, your own color palette, etc., etc. And you can also choose where you want to preview it. So this, for example, how it will look like on an iPad. This is on the phone, and it's pretty user-friendly. As you can see, it adjusts to different screen sizes, and it's really great. And that's pretty much it about TotalPoll, and this is how you can actually use it. And that's it about TotalPoll and how you can create engaging polls to learn more about your audience. And if you've still got any questions concerning it, don't forget to drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to not miss out any of our upcoming videos. And I'll see you next time, and have a nice day. Bye-bye!